got the Henry Fredericks 1 ex-Tynemouth lifeboat in here that we restored, and she was launched and fully restored, what, 6 years ago? Since then, of course, it's been used extensively. Every year it comes in and we do the regular maintenance with it. So like a wooden boat of this age, you know, 110 years old, there's always loads to do, always. And the secret is keeping on top of it, like any wooden boat. So yeah, there's the underneath, of course, is going to be scraped. It's nearly ready for painting. Change the anodes, 1 or 2 repairs to the fendering. A couple of little tiny leaks that we've got the other side that we know exactly where they are, so we're going to sort those out. A little bit of damage to the fender the other side when we came in. That's not a big problem, but again, it all needs to be done. Yeah, and then a coat of paint, not the blue. I think we'll probably leave the blue, but the anti-foul, the red, the white tops of the whalebacks, and the brown inside. That'll get a coat of paint. So a couple of little jobs that we did on the engine, just sort of regular servicing and oil change and filters and all the fuel system to make sure it's clean and everything. So yeah, quite a list of jobs to do, but you've got to keep on top of it. Well, next door there's a boat in there called the Margaret, which is quite a conventional wooden clinker built rowing boat, but it's had serious neglect and have been smashed up a few times up from Seaton Sluice.
Oh yeah.
So it's more of a repair than it is a restoration, because you know it depends how far you want to go with it. So, but no, there's lots of interesting work going on there, and then shortly they'll be coming in. We're going to start actually building some boats for the Sea Cadets, but they're a kit, epoxy resin assembled thing. But I think I'm going to leave you to have a word with the guys next door.
Hello, I'm a member of NEMT, North East Maritime Trust, and we are just about to start a project in conjunction with the Sea Cadets to build racing rowing boats for them. The boat's called König, it's a kit form, a bit of plywood and lots of resin, and the Sea Cadets will be coming and helping with the project on the out-of-school project. The kit we have to collect from Cumbria, so we're going on Monday to get that one, and we're expecting to build another one definitely, and after that, well, it depends how many of our Sea Scout groups say it want, and they want one as well. But it's the first time we've done it, so it's going to be an experiment.